Hi everyone, today, we're talking about BigQuery, Google's cloud data warehouse that's changing the way businesses handle big data. So, what exactly is BigQuery? BigQuery is a fully managed, serverless data warehouse that lets you store and analyze massive amounts of data quickly and easily. Unlike traditional databases, BigQuery runs on Google Cloud's powerful infrastructure, meaning you don't have to worry about managing servers or scaling resources. It all happens automatically. Why does this matter? Well, businesses generate tons of data every day. Think customer purchases, website clicks, social media activity, and more. To make sense of this data, companies need tools that can handle huge volumes and provide insights fast. That's where BigQuery comes in. BigQuery is designed to handle petabytes of data, that's millions of gigabytes, and it can run complex SQL queries over this data in seconds or minutes. It's perfect for data analysts, scientists, and engineers who want to quickly ask questions and get answers without the usual wait times. One of the coolest things about BigQuery is that it's serverless. This means you don't need to set up or maintain any hardware. Google takes care of all the infrastructure, so you can focus solely on your data and analysis. Let's talk about how it works. First, you load your data into BigQuery. This data could come from many sources like Google Analytics, cloud storage, or external databases. Once your data is in BigQuery, you can use standard SQL, a language used to interact with databases, to run queries. For example, imagine you have sales data and want to find out how many products were sold last month. You can run a simple query that looks like this. Select count, asterisk, from sales_data where sale_date between the 1st of July 2025 and the 31st of July 2025. BigQuery will scan your data and return the answer fast, even if your dataset has billions of rows. BigQuery also scales automatically. Whether you're running a small query or analyzing huge datasets, BigQuery adjusts resources on the fly, so you pay only for what you use. Speaking of costs, BigQuery charges based on the amount of data you scan during queries and how much data you store. This pay-as-you-go model helps companies manage expenses efficiently, but it also means you need to write efficient queries to avoid scanning unnecessary data. In summary, BigQuery is a powerful, scalable, and easy-to-use data warehouse built for the cloud. It's a favorite for companies that need to analyze big data quickly and without hassle. If you want to try BigQuery yourself, Google Cloud offers free trials and lots of tutorials to get you started. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you next time.